Looking to self-host your email and ditch third-party providers? Mailcow, Mailinabox, and Mailu are three of the most popular open-source email server stacks, but which one's the best one for you? Now let's start with Mailcow. It's the most feature-rich of the three, based on Docker with a clean admin UI, built-in antivirus, spam filtering, and support for multiple domains. It's highly configurable and production ready out the box. If you're running email for clients or a team, Mailcow feels like a professional grade solution. The trade-off, it's heavier and has more moving parts. So setup and updates can be intimidating if you're not already comfortable with Docker and sysadmin tasks. Now, Mailinabox, on the other hand, it's all about simplicity. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, basically one script sets everything up, including DNS, SSL, and webmail. It's great for personal use or small setups, but it's opinionated. You get less flexibility, and it doesn't play well if you want to tweak things under the hood or run multiple apps on the same server. Then there's Mailu. Think of it as the middle ground. It's Docker-based like Mailcow, but more modular and minimalist. You choose what to enable, which keeps things lightweight. It's more hands-on than Mailinabox, but less bloated than Mailcow. Perfect if you want control without complexity. So, which one should you be picking right now? I'd say choose Mailcow if you want enterprise-level features and can handle the maintenance. Pick Mailinabox if you just want email working fast and zero fuss. And choose Mailu if you want a customizable, clean setup that won't overload your system. All three are solid. It really comes down to how much control you need and how much effort you're willing to put in. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on what you want to see next from us.